Hey, I'm John Westwell. I want to talk with you about finding full text of articles you've already identified as being of interest. And it still is kind of often a two-step process where you kind of do your search and you would identify articles you think might be important, and then a second step where you access the full text. And it can take a little digging sometimes. Of course, a lot of times it's easy. So here's my search. Peer-reviewed just since 2014. Um, I get my results. The first thing is the red and white icon with the PDF full text. This should open up 100% of the time, so I'm not going to bother any further with that one. But the yellow Find at ASU button just means it's not a guarantee we'll have it. It means the button will try to link to full text if we have a subscription. So let's try this one. And a lot of times it will work. Although more than I like, you'll get a blank screen here or it'll be slow to load. So sometimes it's useful to click on this. You can see this is the full text because here, if you pull the cursor down, you can see it's a very long article, the HTML version. If you click here, you can get the PDF version, which a lot of times we like better. This does have live links in it. So that's happy. Um, the third one also is from the same publisher, and you can see again we might want to use that, but it clicked over there pretty quickly and we've got full text. Let me find one where the other case where we don't get full text happens. You can see we've got a lot of full text in here, and the yellow buttons I'm skipping over are all I think we have full text for. But here's one we don't have. It's in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease, and we're not always as strong for medical journals as for nursing and others, but we certainly have a lot of those too. Here I'm going to click on the yellow button, and we get this page. It says we did not find your article. And it gives you several options. Now check library catalog. Now we've already searched for electronic and gotten that we did not find. Almost 100%, maybe 100% of our current health science journals are electronic, so this is not a good use of your time. Now you can ask me if you think this is something you want. You can email me or you can follow this link. And we also do have a system to get from other libraries. Interlibrary Loan, or Iliad is our name for it, and it'll get you articles in about 24 hours almost all the time. But I don't think you're going to need that for this semester or this year. You might want to try it sometime though, because it is nice. I try to use it some. This is the one I want you to look at. So we're going to look at Google Scholar, and I'll search Google Scholar for you. It just jumps right in. It's got your article title, which is a pretty unique string of words. And here, sometimes you'll see a free link to full text. Out here, you can see a lot of times hiding right here under the double arrow. Sometimes you'll see Find at Upstate. But this is the same as the yellow button, Find at ASU, we've always tried. I like to try this though, because sometimes the publisher will just give it to you for free. In this case, it's not here, and they're going to want to charge us money. So that's a failure. But other times you'll see 5 versions, 10 versions, 3 versions, and there'll be a full text version. This is on a university repository for a university in the Netherlands. It says citation, so I don't think that's going to open, but it's worth a try. So no full text. But sometimes I'll try just searching on the article title in Google also, and occasionally Google Scholar will miss something, but that usually works. I do use Google Scholar to find full text, and I have pretty good luck with it. So anyway, that's how you do it. Let me know if you have any questions.